You can easily create beautiful TV unit, beautiful headboard, a beautiful focal wall. But if the layout of your floor is not good, nothing will fall into place. In today's video, I'm going to share this layout plan with you all. I'm going to tell you what was the client requirement, what I didn't like in this layout, and how we fix that. So let's start. The client wanted to have 3 rooms, one master bedroom, one guest bedroom, one kids room, one very good functional kitchen, one drawing dining area, and 3 toilets. Also, they wanted a complete Vastu compliant house. So let's see in this layout what we have. This is your main entry. This is your dining lobby. This is your drawing area. Your kids room is here with attached toilet. Your guest room is here with attached toilet here, and your master bedroom is like this, and your kitchen is here. Now I am going to tell you what I didn't like in this layout. See, once you enter, you get to see a very cramped dining area. This is actually your main entry, so I would like to increase the size if it is possible. Your drawing is fine, we cannot do anything about it. Your kids room is here, but the workstation I don't like kids to sit side by side because it's going to be difficult at the time of study. Now this is the guest bedroom. Wardrobe is ample, which is very nice, but this is the negative space, and your room size is 13 feet here. So if we'll exclude the wardrobe dimension, it is going to be somewhere around 11 feet. So I would like to increase if it is possible. This toilet does not have any ventilation, so this is not at all acceptable. This is the storeroom here. Now kitchen is 14 feet 3 inches and 24 inches is extended in the utility area by 6 feet. So if you want to incorporate your tall unit, your pantry unit and other storages, this is very less for a kitchen. So I would like to increase the size if it is possible. The size of your master bedroom is decent. This is your outdoor seating area. I started with increasing the size of the drawing dining area. So I shifted this wall from here and included in my dining area. Also, what I did, I didn't like this negative working space. So what I did, I made this complete wall and add a toilet over here so that it can have a wonderful ventilation. Also, while working in the kitchen, I saw that the length of the kitchen is wonderful, but the width is very less. So I wanted to increase the width to add another platform over here. The width of the bedroom was 12 feet 3 inches and this was 11 feet. Although construction of these walls were done, so I didn't want to break both the walls, but I wanted to increase the width of this kitchen, so I added 1 feet 3 inches from this room into my kitchen and made a one parallel counter over here. Although it didn't reduce much size in the master bedroom, but it added a lot value in the kitchen because I could get a long platform with overhead and under counter storage, which is wonderful for a kitchen. Now for the storeroom, because I made this a toilet, I had to create one storeroom. Then what I did, I increased the size up to 3 feet 6 inches and made a storeroom over here. Also, one more thing that we did here was close this door, added a door over here, and here we added a space for the refrigerator and we took it from the room. By doing this, we could easily have a refrigerator hidden aligned with the platform here in the kitchen. Now see this kids room toilet. What is happening? Your wash basin is here, your WC is here, and your bathing space for this space is here. Now this is not fine. A person cannot take a bath comfortably. Then what change I did? We shifted this wash basin from here to here and created one bathing area here. Now this is one clean bathing area, although it is coming right in front of the door, which is not an ideal scenario, but we will be using a water resistant door, so it is going to be functional. In the kids bedroom, what we did, we extended this area and took it into a room. We created 2 workstation here and this was one complete wall for the wardrobe. A mandir was here as per Vastu. So this is the first option that we created. You have your main entry here. Now we shifted that wall. So this is from 6 feet to 8 feet now. This is our dining area. Your drawing room furniture layout is, you have your sofa here and that is your TV unit. Now in the guest bedroom, because we shifted the wall 24 inches here, so you have your wall here, your door is here. Now you have your wardrobe right in front of the door. Although the wardrobe size has been reduced, but the room size has been increased. Now this is 15 feet 8 inches. So you have your bed here, you have your TV unit here, and we created one study here. This is your window. So now your room is properly ventilated. This is your toilet. Your ventilation is here. Now coming to the layout of this toilet, the washroom layout is as per Vastu. Otherwise, what would have been better if we could place our WC here, wash basin here. This would have have been an ample space for bathing. This is your master bedroom. Your door is here. This is your TV plus dress. This is your wardrobe for the bedroom, and your bed is placed like this. Your wardrobe is from 2 feet 6 inches. We made it 3 feet 6 inches so that we could accommodate one storeroom here, and this is one outdoor seating area for us. What we did, we created a partition here so that this is one extended area of the bedroom. Now this is your kids room. We created one complete wardrobe here. This is the study for kids. We extended the balcony and created study here for the kids. For the toilet, this is the layout of the toilet. Now you have decent area for the bathing. Now let's discuss the kitchen. Your platform is here, and now this is another platform here like this. We took some area for the bedroom and created one area 3 feet 6 inches for the refrigerator. Now this is aligned, which is going to look pleasing from the entry. Otherwise, protruding refrigerator from the wall doesn't look good. Now your sink is as per Vastu. We cannot place anything other than sink here, so we placed a tall unit here, so we kept it as it is. We opened this door towards the utility, which is opening 180 degree. Now you have your sink and washing machine here. So your utility area is only accessible from the kitchen. So now you can have your private bedroom, private guest room. Now let's see what problems did we face in this layout as per Vastu. Now as per Vastu, we cannot extend this area, so we had to keep it open. So this was the room and we cannot extend it as per Vastu. So we created one wardrobe here, and as per Vastu, we cannot place a study in this direction. Another problem with this layout was your bed is coming under the beam, which is not a favorable situation. So we had to shift our bed here. Now this was another option that we created. This is your main entry. Your sofas are placed as the first option. Now in this room, we created a mandir here because this was as per Vastu, and your bed is like this. A complete set of wardrobes here, no study. Now this is your dining area. We created one storage here, and this is your 6-seater dining area. You have your shoe cabinet here. This is your proper circulation towards the kitchen. Now once you enter, you get to see the flow of space. Now this is not very cramped. This is your bedroom. We placed a bed here because our beam was going like this. Now in guest room, what we did, we created one study here. This was the TV cabinet plus study. This was one wardrobe. The outdoor seating area and the storage was kept as it is. The toilets were kept as it is. In the kitchen, this is our platform with microwave plus OTG here. This is our sink. Now because of the column here, we cannot place our hob at the center, otherwise it would have been a wonderful option, but our hob is off center because of the column. Now because of the column here, we cannot create a platform, so we created a tall unit here to camouflage the look so that you don't get to see the column while designing. And this is one platform with under counter and overhead storage. This is your refrigerator. So this was the final layout that we created for the space, and now we are getting a decent sized kitchen, a proper area for the dining, and a good flow of space. This is your master bedroom, this is your guest bedroom, this is your kids room, and this is your drawing area. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section how you find the layout. Also subscribe to our channel because we keep sharing these practical informations on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see my next video soon. Bye.